they want Emily. Emily, are you trying to make out with Allie?
She does it. Mama. Mama. That's not making out.
Is this Allie?
No, she likes Maddie. Remember the both.
The real question is here, people. How gay is Emily Marie Taylor?
No, she went straight. That's why Maddie doesn't like her anymore.
When did this happen?
How I noticed.
That's why Maddie thought she was a lesbian when she
Cindy,
wasn't.
get your phone.
So now Maddie hates her.
Cindy, do you have your phone? Yep. Okay.
Emily.
Better not be texting about me. I'm gonna freak
Emily,
out.
turn around. You seem to enjoy those chips.
It's popcorn, Jesse.
Popcorn. Who are you pretending it is? And who are you sucking on? Here's the cat.
No, remember, go stop.
Let me call KFC.
No.
Emily will call KFC.
What are you doing, Cindy? Nothing. Hey, stand on this. Hey, Cindy, grab your phone and Emily. See it. Someone stand on this and put all.
Here's the world.
I will do that. Why?
Do it.
Grab your phone and look at it.